What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, man. It's your boy, Mr. If It Ain't Good, and it's nice, aka Potion Tie, aka Josie Echo, aka. Kiri, hashtag to everyone. What's up? I hope you staying safe indoors and everything. During this whole pandemic, and yeah, man, the corona is real, so hope y'all all staying safe and everything. But as you saw by the title already, in today's video, it is not a tutorial or anything like that. Okay, it is kind of a tutorial, but I'm gonna show you how you can become a member on the channel, right? So you're asking yourself, like, what perks does being a member come with? Okay, so members get exclusive links to JE sample packs, free plugins, and so forth, right? And you get exclusive videos. So if you request a specific video or you need help with something specifically, you get those perks, right? So yeah, I'm actually you if you can read about it, right? If you're gonna become a member before you join, there's actually where it explains like the perks and everything, so you can go on and go read about it. In any case, so yeah, I'm about to show you right now how you can become a member. So first things first, right? You gotta go to Chrome, right? So this I don't think it will work if you have any other internet browser. Like as you can see, for myself, I am an Apple user, but I'm not using Safari. I'm using Chrome for one specific reason, and you will see this later. So as you're in Chrome, right, you're gonna tap into your search engine. You're gonna click www.youtube.com, and you're gonna click on go in your Chrome, right? So from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search Potion Thai, or just go to my channel, right? And then just click on my channel, right? And then this is how it's gonna show up, right? It doesn't show any subscribe or anything like that. So that's what we're gonna get into. Okay, excuse me. In the beginning of the video, remember I said to you need to use Chrome specifically because of this feature. So if you are on Apple, you're gonna click on these three dots. If you are on Android, you're gonna click on the top right hand side with the three lines or something like that, right, where you're going to pull up these settings and so forth, right? And then if you are on desktop, like PC or anything, the join button shows already, right? So it's easier if you're using your computer, right? So yeah, right now what you're going to do is you're going to swipe down if you're on Apple, and then you're going to click on request desktop site, right? So if you are using any other device, there is a button that shows where you can join. I mean, you can request it to be a desktop site. You just click on the box and it will show. I know on Android it shows there at the bottom, it says show as desktop site or something like that. So yeah, what you're gonna do, as you can see, now you have the join, tab, right? You have the join. For me, it's showing different because this is my channel, so I have the option to customize channel or go to YouTube Studio. But in any case, as you see, there's the join tab, so you're gonna click on the join, right? And then you are gonna choose which clan or membership you wanna join under, right? And then as you can see, you can read what are all of the perks, what comes with it, you're gonna just drop down on more about perks and so forth. And then yeah, as you can see, starting at 10 Rand per month. So you're gonna click on join if you wanna join under that, or you can join under, okay, it's going to my payments and stuff, but never mind that. Let's click on X, cancel. So yeah, you're gonna read about it, and then you see you have the junior clan and all of their perks. I recommend you go read what are the perks before you join, right? But if you want to cancel your membership, you will get refunded. YouTube will refund you, so that's okay. And then we have the senior clan with the most perks. You have the option to join, which is at 30 Rand per month, and then you can go read about the perks. So, yeah, guys, that is all you have to do. Relatively simple, easier if you are on PC or desktop, anything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Look forward to seeing y'all join, getting exclusive perks and so forth. And yeah, this is your boy Mr. If It Ain't Good and It's Nice signing out. Peace.